Hello viewers. So today I am going to be introducing you to my Wings of Fire slimes. First, this is to simulate Winter, who's an Icewing Prince in Wings of Fire. His scales. This one just represents Mooncat, my character. She isn't a Wings of Fire character, she's just my own OC. The stars are supposed to represent Mooncat's eyes, and the moons are supposed to represent, well, the moon. And the black represents the black of her fur. And then there's one that kind of simulates the scales of Queen Glory, who is the Queen of the Rain Wings and the Night Wings in Wings of Fire.
Come and meet your new squishy friends in Squishy Magic Land.
Sorry, you know that. And then this is supposed to represent the scales of Sea Wings, which are probably shimmery. The fishbowl things are supposed to represent pearls, but it's okay. The shimmery things are supposed to represent like the shimmery of the scales with sea wings and stuff. This one represents the Nightwing Island. And then this represents my own OC, Aurora. And then this one, which represents Princess Anemone's scales. It'll be updated eventually. I can't right now because see, all my color blends are out. But it's okay. That is all for today, viewers. Goodbye. Peace. Happy Easter.